Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill
T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Bill can't be here today, so his cousin Jill Curl will be taking over.
Hello? Is this thing on? Hello?
Oh, ow. Yes, Jill. Jill Curl, the Science Girl, is brought to you by bacteria, where bacteria is everywhere.
Hi, I'm Jill Curl, the Science Girl. Follow me. Look at all the bacteria. Can you see it? No, you can't, because bacteria has to be seen under a microscope. But bacteria is everywhere. This counter has bacteria. This camera definitely has bacteria. Jessica right here, she has bacteria. And this fridge, my oh my, is it full of bacteria. But what is bacteria? Bacteria is organisms made of one cell. Some can be helpful to us, but others can make us very sick. Take a look at this. This is our arts and crafts of science. Okay, bacteria comes in 3 different shapes. Coccus, or round. Bacillium, or rod-shaped. And Staphylium, and it's spiral-shaped. Did you know that a third of the water purchased in the U.S. is contaminated with bacteria? Well, it's true. Ponder that the next time you take a drink. All things must reproduce, right? Bacteria grows in colonies and reproduces very, very, very fast. Every 20 minutes. They reproduce asexually by binary fission, in which the cell increases and splits into 2.
Did you know that the special headphones they give you on airplanes create a great breeding place for bacteria? It's a warm, nice environment. Just wearing these headphones for 1 hour will increase the bacteria 700 times!
Okay, let's take a look at these 2 lovely bacteria. They need to get their energy from somewhere. Well, this bacteria is called a heterotroph. It gets its energy from breaking down organic compounds in the environment. Energy! Bacteria number 2 is an autotroph. It gets its energy by fixing carbon dioxide to make its own food source, and it is fueled by sunlight. Energy. Did you know that soap and water kill germs more effectively than hand sanitizer? Just like there is good and bad people in the world, there is good and bad bacteria. This bacteria has a good niche. It is a producer. It decomposes dead matter to maintain equilibrium in the environment. And it also removes poison from water. And this is only a few of its many wonderful qualities. This one, on the other hand, just makes people sick. Like literally sick. Like makes me want to call sick.
We interrupt this program for a brief commercial break from our sponsors.
Bacteria!
Okay, here's the bad news. I just discovered that 100% of people have bacteria all over their homes. But I found out why. Everybody has bacteria all around them. It's all natural and it's here to stay. You just have to learn to live with it. So try bacteria.
Comes from the kingdom Monera and is a eubacteria. Some bacteria is good while some is bad for you. Bacteria! When you get sick, it is most likely a virus. A virus is a strand of DNA or RNA that is covered with a protein coat. Like DNA, it must be seen under a microscope. Unlike DNA, though, it is non-living and needs a host to survive. Did you know that virus is Latin for poison? Check this out. When a virus enters an organism, it needs to attach itself to a host cell to survive. So let's say this girl is a virus. and this girl is a host cell. This virus needs to latch itself onto the host cell. Then it needs to transmit its DNA or RNA into the host cell. Once the transmission has occurred, the cell's machinery has been taken over. It now is able to reproduce more viruses. Your body's best defense against viruses are your white blood cells. These are the policemen of your body. When they come across an infected cell or an antigen, they produce an antibody that helps fight off the bad cell. Once inside the cell, the viruses replicate themselves immediately, killing the cell. Others replicate in a way that doesn't kill the host right away.
Viruses can infect all living beings. It can infect them and me. It can infect this plant, this bush, this tree. It can even infect man's best friend.
Two types of viruses in the world, one with DNA and one with RNA. The viruses that contain RNA their genetic information are called retroviruses. Retroviruses get their name from how their genetic information is copied backwards. RNA to DNA instead of DNA to RNA. This is the cause of some cancers in humans and animals.
So what are you guys working on? We're making posters on the virus's life cycle. So what do all these letters stand for?
A stands for attachment, the process in which a virus attaches on to a host cell.
When the virus enters the cell.
U stands for uncoding, when the virus takes off the protein code. Or its capsid. R is for replication, where the cell begins to assemble new viral proteins and genetic material.
Release, where the new virus leaves the host cell by causing the cell to rupture.
Wow, that's pretty nifty. Viruses can't reproduce on their own because they need a host cell to become living. The classification of viruses is order, Virgilus, family, Viridae, and genus, Virus. Viruses don't need to obtain their own energy because their host cell already has it.
Hi, I'm Campylobacter and I'm a pathogen.
Hi,
Hi.
Campylobacter.
Hi.
And how have you been doing this week?
Well, it started off okay, but I got on some kid's fingers, and then I got into his stomach, and then I was in his kind of gut, and I just couldn't help myself. I started multiplying.
It's all right. We're not here to judge. Tell us what happened. Did you try the exercises?
I did. I tried the breathing exercises. It didn't really work, really. I tried, and I tried to stop myself from multiplying. I tried it, but I just couldn't.
What happened? Can you tell me what happened?
Okay, well.
When I'm in a place that's moist and warm, and I'm so lonely I could cry through cellular division. I start to multiply. Given conditions that are favorable, every 20 minutes we will subdivide. 1, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. Okay! I said 512. I said 1,024. I said 2,048. I said 4,096. 8,192. 16,384. We're going to multiply through your body. We'll multiply exponentially. We'll colonize your intestine. We'll make you sick. We'll make you nauseous. We'll give you diarrhea. We'll multiply, 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 multiply.
Today we have learned a lot about viruses and bacteria. See you next time with Jill Curl, the Science Girl.